This is a JAM chemistry question, and you can pause the video so that you can read the question properly. The question wants us to find the percentage by volume of hydrogen sulphide in the air that reacted with PbNO32 until all the hydrogen sulphide has reacted. We're given the balanced chemical equation. I'm just going to rewrite that here. We have PbNO32 plus H2S. It gives PbS plus 2HNO3. The first thing we want to do here, since the equation is balanced already, we want to compare the ratio of these things as they react. So this is 1 here. So this is also 1. This is 1 as well, and ratio 2. So we can compare this in this ratio given. Now let's go to the information that was given. The precipitate, which is PbS that was given, was found to weigh 5.02 grams. With that, we will not be able to compare this mass to get any information about our hydrogen sulfide. Hence, the next thing we have to do is to determine the number of moles of this PbS. And that will be number of moles of PbS equals the mass that we have divided by the relative molecular mass of PbS. Let me call that capital M. And that would be 5.02 divided by the relative molecular mass of this guy would be Pb is 207 plus sulfur is 32. And if you do this very well, we have 5.02 divided by 207 divided by 207 plus 32, that will give 239. And if you do this division, you get 0.021 mole. Now, we now have information to deal with the hydrogen sulfide. They are in ratio 1 to 1. Since they are in ratio 1 to 1, that means that this number of moles of PbS that was formed on the product side will be the same number of moles of H2S that reacted. And this is so because if you are given the amount of product, if you are given an information about the product, that information is sufficient enough, not in excess, not limiting. It is just adequate for whatever had reacted. It is only when you are given information about the reactant that you have to determine whether it is limiting or it is in excess or it is adequate. But for the product, you can just proceed and do whatever you need to do directly. Hence, this implies that number of moles of H2S as well will be 0.021 because the ratio of PbS to H2S is 1 to 1. Now, the next thing we need to do here is that from the information we're given the volume of at s.t.p, and we know that the relationship is such that the number of moles of any given gas at s.t.p is their volume in dm cube divided by 22.4 dm cube. This volume is in dm cube divided by 22.4 dm cube, and this implies that the volume of H2S that reacted will be the number of moles, which is 0.021 times 22.4. Now, if you multiply that, we have 0.021 times 22.4. This gives us a total of 0.4704 dm cube. So that's the volume of H2S that react. Now let's go back to the question. The volume of air that was given was 10 dm cube, but that air is an impurity which H2S is contained inside as an impurity. So what we want to find is that we want to find the percentage by volume of hydrogen sulfide in the air. So this impurity, which is hydrogen sulfide, how much in terms of percentage is present in that 10 dm cube of air? So to do that, we just do the volume. So the percentage we are looking for will be the volume of the H2S divided by the volume of the air multiplied by 100%. And that will be 0.4704 divided by 10 multiplied by 100%. So we know that this is 10. If we multiply that, that will be equals to 4.704%, which is approximately 4.7 percent. So the percentage by volume of hydrogen sulfide in the air is 4.7%. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, comment, and share. I'll see you in the next one.